Good day and welcome to Abundant Life Learning Center. My name is Talitha Jorio and I'm the founder of the center. The center was built on the premise that each and every single person has a purpose and a destiny. And we believe that in order to fulfill that destiny, you need to have a meaningful relationship with Christ. Our mission is to help people grow in their relationship with Christ, discover His purpose, and live out His calling. Our focus is on equipping people to live righteously through God's Word, helping them be more effective in His kingdom, and having a meaningful relationship with Christ through the various discipleship programs on offer. We are passionate about helping people break the cycle of defeat and develop a prevailing mindset because we believe these are one of the reasons that hold people back from fulfilling their God-given destiny. We also ignite hearts with passion for Christ so that they can serve as human torches for other people to follow as well. Why are our programs so effective and why should you sign up for one of our programs? At Abundant Life Learning Center, our aim is to foster the growth of all our participants through the study of God's Word, the teachings, practical exercises, as well as fellowship with other believers. Our approach is also to use biblical principles that have been effective in our own growth and walk with Christ so that it makes it easier for other people to follow. We also help people get back on track with their walk with the Lord who've lost their way as a result of challenges or various disappointments. If you are interested in attending one of our courses or being part of our volunteer team, feel free to visit our website for more information.